Good morning, geometry. Let's get to it. This is video C, part 2. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. This is CV day number 16. And we are we're pushing on. Okay, so we did the tangent stuff yesterday. I don't think it's that difficult. Can you subtract and divide by 2? Well, then you know how to do it. Okay, so let's keep going. Here we go to the back of the worksheet. So this is going to be for problems. I'm going to go through problems that are like the odds, but I'm not going to do the odds. So you guys got to do all the problems on the back, 11 through 20, okay? And you're like, don't we already know how to do this? Well, kind of. Okay, number 11, this is 251 here. So then, oh, great gravy. I started off with a bad 5 already. Okay, so then I got to do 360. That was the sound of my calculator hitting my desk. It's 360 minus 251 is 109. 109. Okay, so then all I have to do is subtract them, divide by 2. Oh, you know what? This is number 11. Sorry. You're welcome. And divide by 2. So I'm going to take 251 minus 109, and I get 142. And I divide by 2 and get 71. Okay, so you're welcome. That'll be your wake-up problem. That'll be, like, hey, I forgot how to do this. Okay, well, I just did it for you. Okay, so now you have to do number 12 just like that, okay? Now for the new stuff. Now for the new stuff. New. See, look at that. That's so lame. Look at that. Can't even see it. All right, so now this is like number 13, but I'm not going to do number 13. Okay, so this is 60, and this is x. Okay, and you're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is the answer just 120? And I'm like, no, 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 it's not. If this is x, this part over here is 360 minus x. Okay, in other words, if this was 300, this would be 60, because you know it has to add up to a circle. So instead of 300, it's x. Big whoop. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract big minus small in parentheses divided by 2 equals 60. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So now it's x minus 360 plus x all over dose equals 60. But that's 2x minus 360 divided by 2. Huh. Well, let's keep going. So here, let me write this. It's really 2x minus 360 divided by 2 equals 60. Now there's two things you could do here, but I'm going to divide both of these dudes by 2. So it's going to be x minus 180 equals 60. So x equals 240. Okay, so did you see what I did here? I divided this 2 right here, but it also has to go into that one right there. Okay, and so that's where that comes into play. I could have cross multiplied by 2 also, like right there, and made that 120. I get the same answer. It's up to you. Okay, so did we find the value of x? Well, yes, we did, 240. So if that's 240, that means this guy right here is 120. Ready, set, hike. All right, here's a problem like number 15. This is 50. And this is x. And you're like, oh no, how do I do this one? Well, if that's x, this is 360 minus x. Okay, so then it's big minus small, big minus small divided by 2 equals the answer. So it's 360 minus 2x all over 2 equals 50. Wait a second. That's 180 minus x equals 50. Wait a second. Negative x, negative 130. X is regular 130. Positive 130. But wait a second. Where's my split screen mode? Oh my snap. This was x minus 180, and this one's 180 minus x. Let me get closer to the mic. Let's see if we see a pattern here, y'all. That's way too small, isn't it? There we go. All right, number 17. A problem like number 17. I can't use 50 because, for crying out loud, it's going to be about the same answer. So let's do 70. Yeah, let's do 70. Okay, and so I'm going to call this x. Well, if that's x, this is 360 minus x. Okay, here we go. This is like number 13, okay. So it's big minus small in parentheses divided by 2 equals the answer, 70. Okay, so this is x minus 360 plus x. So it's going to be 2x minus 360 all over 2. Wait a second. And then that's going to be x minus 180 equals 70. X equals 250. Wait a second. Hey, this was x minus 180, and that was x minus 180. And x was the biggest piece, and x was the biggest piece. But this time x was the smallest piece. Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's explore. Let's see what happens. It's like Dora. Oh, sorry. Let me scroll. Of course you can video pause this and say, Mr. Blanisher, hang on a second there. All right, hey, let's add some tunes for this last song. Are you ready? And hit it. Here we go. Number 19. We're going to say that this is, I don't know, 74. Okay, and this is x. So that means the big piece is 360 minus x. I know it doesn't seem right, but it's just how it is. Okay, so then it's going to be big minus small divided by 2 equals the answer. So it's going to be 360 minus 2x divided by 2. Hold on, I gotta scroll. Equals 74. So now I'm going to bring it up here, bring it up there. I'm going to divide everything by 2. That's 180 minus x equals 74. I'm going to subtract 180, and it's going to be negative x equals negative 250. That means regular x is 250. Okay, so there you are, and there you have it. Alright, so you guys are supposed to do problems 11 through 20 and then fill out the form for Mr. Barrow. Remember that you guys could subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I don't know if I've ever written that word. Subscribe to my channel right there. And then if you're wanting a little entertainment, you can watch this here video one more time. Let's make it go viral. Alright, that's all I have to say to you today, and good day.